Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car step by step. First, let's get your car ready for its new owner. A deep clean, both inside and out, can add hundreds to your selling price. Gather all your paperwork, like the title and service history, as buyers appreciate transparency. Then, research its market value using online guides and recent sales to set a competitive price. Even small fixes can make a big difference. Now that your car is sparkling and you know its worth, it's time to market it. Capture excellent photos and a brief video to grab attention. Craft a detailed description, emphasizing unique features and its well-maintained history. Select popular online platforms or local options to reach a wide audience. Transparency about any minor flaws can actually build trust and speed up the sale. Once your ad is live, prepare for inquiries. Respond quickly and politely to potential buyers. When arranging a test drive, always choose a public, well-lit area and ride along. Be ready to answer any questions about the car's past and present condition. When it comes to price, negotiate with confidence, aiming for a fair deal that reflects your car's value and your minimum acceptable offer. Congratulations, you're almost there. Finalizing the sale involves a few crucial steps. Ensure all paperwork, like the bill of sale and title transfer, is correctly filled out. For payment, always opt for secure methods, such as a bank transfer or a cashier's check from a reputable institution. Remember to remove your license plates and inform your local DMV about the change of ownership. Hand over all keys and documents, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.